The rail industry's environmental impact. Rail accounts for only 2% of global transport energy demand and 0.3% of global fossil fuel emissions, much lower than road and air transportation. The International Energy Agency, IEA, recognizes rail's role in reducing emissions and promoting sustainable mobility. Challenges in rail. Capacity constraints. Many rail networks are operating at full capacity, causing delays and congestion. Expanding infrastructure requires significant investments. Technological integration. Integrating modern technology with legacy systems remains complex. Safety concerns. Maintaining operational safety involves accident prevention and human error mitigation. Infrastructure maintenance. Aging rail infrastructure requires regular upkeep without disrupting services. Global supply chain disruptions. Geopolitical tensions and natural disasters impact rail operations, demanding resilience planning. AB Ovo's Rail Solutions. Ecologic Platform and Delmia Quintic. Digitize business processes for rail and intermodal operations. Automate resource planning and optimize the order-to-cash cycle. Manage intermodal logistics seamlessly. Tailored rail solutions include Rail Operations ERP, train planning and timetabling, maintenance and workforce planning, fleet, network and load planning, and strategic asset management. Key benefits of AB Ovo's solutions. Environmental sustainability. Reduce emissions through optimized routes. Cost efficiency. Minimize expenses with better planning. Enhance safety. Identify and mitigate operational risks. Real-time planning. Leverage real-time data for accurate decision-making. Intermodal integration. Seamlessly connect rail with other transport modes. Resilience to disruptions. Robust strategies ensure continuity during challenges. At AB Ovo, we drive growth and sustainability with our advanced predictive and prescriptive analytics, helping you achieve lower emissions, higher efficiency, and smarter decisions. Let AB Ovo empower your rail operations, because sustainable solutions drive the future.